when you factor a very, very large number, your factors tend to separate themselves by increasingly great distances. So let's take it from the top and explore the program itself. Already the program has found 75 factors, but why aren't they listed down below? Well, because the only factors that would be listed are ones that increase the separation between themselves and the previous. And this one over here on the right, you can see the separation of the last two factors was only 704, but the maximum separation so far was 2080, and here it is over here. So in order to help the demonstration, I made this graph. The bottom here on the x-axis, these are in thousands. The most recent one is in the group of 4,000s, and it was 4,077 digits separating this number from the previous factor that it had found. So the separation of the last two factors, okay, well, what's happening is it's taking them one at a time, and many times the separation will be like here is only 331 when the champion separation so far was 4,000. So I'm going to turn it off for now and then come back to it in 15 or 20 minutes and see what we have found. Well, about 15 minutes have passed, and you can see that we have a few more champions, a few more record setters in how many digits separate the current factor from the previous. We have gotten all of the way to 10,000, and here it is, 10,075, and the number that set that record was 61,566. Now I'm going to shut it down now, and I'll tell you why. The next record maker is 143,654, and it doesn't come until we get to 30,000. So this is going to jump from here up to somewhere in here, and it's going to come on the 30,000 mark, so that it'll be, imagine a dot right about there, okay? Well, a little higher, 143, right about there, okay? And imagine that there's a red line from the end of what we have found so far to that point. But that's going to take another half an hour or so to find, because we're only on 73,000 now, and it's going to be twice that in order to find the next record-making factor. Okay, so this is going to do it for today. What I've tried to do is to demonstrate that as the factors increase in value, so does the separation between the record-making factors, the ones that get more and more and more and more digits between themselves and the previous factor. So thank you very much for watching, and have a good day.